Shotzi, what? Shotzi, love you? That's sweet. Is that what you meant to say? Mila, love Shotzi? Yeah. Question what?
Love you.
I love you too. I love you too. Can you use your words? What's your question?
Mila.
Hi. Mila? Yeah. I love you. Question, love you, Mila? Did you have a question? No? You just want scritches? You want to play outside? Okay. Okay, go play. Go. You guys playing? Yeah. Hi.
Oh, I love you. Yeah, scritches. Do you want to go car? Show me yes. Ah, Mila, show me yes. Want. Show me yes. No, show me. Oh, that was very sweet. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Mom? Mom, what? Aw, I love you too.
That's very.
You want love you? Love you. Thank you. Love you. Good girl using your words.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, we'll go get Mom. She said, Mom, love you, and then started crying.
Right here. Hi. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's so sweet. Yes.
Yes.
You want? Okay.